Well, hi everyone. My name is Afner, and today we're going to be talking about how to make a notebook. Last time, for the ones that watched my video about how to create a notebook, you guys know that, okay? This is just a question. So, guys, say hi to my brother. Actually, say hi to Kiddos-AK over here. So, first of all, import think as TK. I'm from think to import TTK for the ones that know this. So you can skip these two parts. Function we'll get into later. Let's just get into the actual stuff. Okay? Then we're no. So all we have to do now is, where is it? You know the window. Easy for you. Here the checkbox is for that. We always have to do that. Int var means int variable, integer variable. Now, for creating the notebook, we can't do tk.notebook. We have to do ttk notebook because tk is for one tab, but ttk is for many tabs. So if we have a one tab, it equals a tk.frame window. Same thing for the other ones. We have to do that. Add the tabs. Notebook.add home tab, comma text equals to home tab. You will have to do that to see if you want to, what tab are you adding the text in. Same thing for the others. Then notebook.pack fill equals to both the comma expand is true. Meaning expand is true, meaning this fulfill both means that what it will do is the tabs will go horizontal. Label 1, create this label. Easy, the labels are easy. Whatever label you want to put the tab on, you have to write the tab, then comma the text. Labels, we can skip the part. Now check button, dark mode var1 equals to var1. On value is 1, off value is 0, you know why. Now button checkbox somewhere. This is where we create that function. After that, we have the settings, comma command settings. After that, what do we do here? Label 3, welcome to the about page. Label 5, this about tab and then the window.main move. Now for the function, if var1.get, if we check var1 dark mode, it will do dark mode. Settings, right? Same thing. Change color, this is for the settings. So if I go to setting tabs, this is about tab. This is how the notebook looks like. If I do dark mode, it's dark now, right? You see that? So thank everyone for listening about how to create a notebook and about a question. This is like a project basically, okay? Feel free if you have any questions, you can write it in the comments. I hope you like it.